Welcome to another video, everyone. Today I'm gonna be attaching these full cover nail tips from Model Ones. I purchased them together with this kit that you see here on the picture, and I'm gonna be choosing my sizes right now. When choosing my nail tips, I like them to fit me very comfortable on my natural nail. If I choose them too small, that will give me issues and they will pop off, and actually sometimes it hurts. It happens to me one time and I have to remove that nail before time because it was hurting me. So right now I'm just buffing the inside of the nail tips. This helps for the gel glue to attach better. And today I'm gonna be using as well primer and dehydrator. This will allow for the nails to last me longer. And this product you have to let it air dry for 30 seconds. As you can hear, my dog is by the door. I have to go open the door for my dog and I'll be right back with you guys. This gel came with the same kit I showed you previously, and it's 4-in-1, meaning that it's good as a base gel, as a rhinestone glue. They said as well it can be used as a blooming gel and of course to attach the full cover tips. As you can see guys, I'm not a professional nail tech, just a hobbyist. This is my time to relax. When I sit down on this table to do my nails, it's a quiet time for me. I really enjoy it, and I decided to show you guys on YouTube. So just take away any useful information that I provide, but I always recommend that you look at the product instructions and recommendations and follow those. Today I'm trimming these nails. I just want to be comfortable. And as you can see, these nail tips are high quality. They don't leave behind the white trace mark like other tips do sometimes when you trim them. I'm going to buff the shine of the plastic tip, and then I'm gonna repeat this step for all the nails. As well, I will go around the cuticle area and remove any extra excess gel that's spilled, but I'm not showing that step here on the video. So once I'm done with this, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Model One's base gel and cure it for 30 seconds. And these are the nails, guys. After the second coat, they're looking beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and start the nail art for today. I hope you like it, and thank you for being here.